degree of this polynomial? It's a degree 4, exactly. Why is it degree 4? Highest exponent. What's this degree? Degree 3. Now, let's get a little bit less specific. I'll get to it. Degree, is it even or odd? Even. Okay, that's what we're going to focus on. This one would be then odd. Agree? So we're looking here at our largest. Alright? That makes a huge difference, and that gives you your predictor of what your graph's going to look like. Think about what our quadratics were. What are quadratics? Degree what?
2.
Degree 2. And they were either smiling or frowning. So the end behaviors on an even, they're either going to both go up or they're both going to go down. It's just like a quadratic. With an odd, guess what? One's up, one's down. Or the other way. Now, how do you know? Say that again.
It's negative.
Who's it?
The first coefficient.
That's called your leading coefficient. That's your LC. LC stands for leading coefficient. Leading coefficient. Leading coefficient happy? Leading coefficient even. Everybody give me the arms of what it would look like.
Why?
Are you asking why or are you saying why?
Oh, it's like. Why?
Okay, leading coefficient, negative, even degree. Even degree. Even means they're both going to end in the same direction. In behavior, same direction. Leading coefficient? Happy, positive. Leading coefficient, negative? Okay? What's my degree? Even or odd? Even.
Even. Odd. 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 Even. Even.
You guys are good. Alright, here we go. Leading coefficient.
Positive.
Happy, positive. Same thing. Positive.
Negative. Positive. Positive. Negative.
0. Odd.
Ooh, now what is it?
Odd negative.
Even.
Odd
Negative.
Why is it even?
Because the one we just did was the opposite way, it was negative.
Now wait a second. You're saying even or odd. I'm talking happy or sad. Positive or negative.
Negative.
Positive. It's positive.
It is positive. How do I know?
It goes up.
Take a look.
It goes
As you read a book, if it's going to the right, that's going down, correct? Guess what that is? Negative. If it's going up, it is positive. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
This side over here, even or odd? You decide. This side over here, happy or sad? Positive, negative. Okay, here we go. We'll go a point here.
Negative.
Odd.
Odd.
Odd. Negative.
Even.
Even.
Positive.
Negative. Odd.
Even.
I was going for that.
All you gotta do is just make sounds and I go, oh, that's really close. Okay, let's keep thinking.
Odd.
Negative and odd.
Odd. Positive.
Odd.
Positive and odd. Even and positive. Even and negative. Now, when we say negative, we're talking about leading coefficient. When we talk about even, we're talking about largest degree. Now, here's the last thing. As x goes to, what's that symbol? Infinity. Now, that means as x goes to the right, that's positive. What is my function or my graph doing? Is it going to positive infinity or negative infinity? Let's start here. It's still going up. Remember, this is your picture. Is my picture getting bigger, going up, or is it going down?
Down.
It's going up. So in that case, it's going to positive. You will always have this. I'll put a box around it. You'll start with that. That's going to be consistent every time. As my picture, I'm starting over here, as my picture goes to a negative infinity, or excuse me, as my x values go to negative infinity, what's my picture do? Go up or down? Down. So I would write negative infinity. Let's come over here to this one here. As my x values go to positive, get bigger, what happens to my picture? Does it go up or down? It goes up. As my x values go to the left, which is negative infinity, what does my picture do? It goes up also. Take a look. Here's, to the right is my positive infinity. I'll change colors for you. So positive infinity. What does my picture do? Go up. That's why it's positive infinity also. As my x values go to the left, that means negative. What does my picture do? Go up or down? Up. That's why it's positive infinity.
So that's only for the even when it's positive infinity?
Look at your picture. It's a lot easier than trying to memorize. It's a visual aid.